Hi everyone, this is Butter, and I'm glad to present you some of the new features that are coming in this new VerticaPy release. Let's have a quick look. In VerticaPy 0.12, we've improved our data ingestion capabilities. Indeed, we've totally simplified CSV ingestion. Now, no need to add a separator as input. VerticaPy can now guess it automatically. We've also added many options when dealing with AVRO files. It is now possible to ingest them using flex tables. You can then choose to materialize the data or not. You can even flatten the entire dataset for better readability. All the VMAP flexibility is then also available for AVRO files. But that's not all. The main feature of this release is the DBLink integration. Just imagine being able to query any data source. When I say any data source, I mean over databases or in-memory objects. For example, let's say that you want to join a source in Vertica with external sources. One in MySQL, one other in Postgres, and finally, one in memory using a pandas data frame. VerticaPy allows you to easily do the operation in a convenient Jupyter notebook. You can create different connections by using a special symbol for each. VerticaPy will use ODBC connection to connect to each of the external sources. Push or pull the data depending on the use case and materialize all the datasets. Everything will be done automatically. Behind the SQL Magic syntax, everything becomes so easy. And that's not all. The data frame support is also extended to external databases. Whenever it is possible, the vData frame will send the generated query to the external database to save computational resource. Vertica will use an ODBC connection to the external database, which will compute the aggregations and send it back to Vertica, after which the result will be displayed to the user. With Vertica open architecture and VerticaPy flexibility, it is now so easy to follow the entire data science lifecycle anywhere. I hope you're already enjoying those new capabilities. We are trying to always bring you amazing features. To support us, start our project on GitHub. This is all for this release. We will be back with more features soon.